want today.
Everybody freeze! It means you later on! Where you came from, you understand me?
I got this.
This room is secure.
What are we doing? You're gonna be safe in there.
What?
Who are you?
Can you see her?
Okay, we see her.
I'm trying to do something nice.
Put your hands up in the air! Fire!
What are you waiting for? Tell me, Chief. Did you get my message? Safety's on.